Get noticed in this 2011 Buick LaCrosse. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. Low emissions and the good fuel economy offered in this vehicle are important to you and to the environment. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a reliable engine driven by an automatic transmission. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. Carfax is offered to provide you with peace of mind. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, leather seats, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo, a satellite radio. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.